Take a look at this. Look what I have for you today. This is a DIY anti-aging moisturizer. This moisturizer is rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A works on the skin to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It contains a vitamin C, and vitamin C help to clear hyperpigmentation and also help to reduce wrinkles and boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. It also contains the electrolytes, and electrolytes works on the skin by locking moisture in the skin, therefore giving your skin a more hydrated, a more glowing look to the skin. I use some amazing ingredient in this recipe that you probably already have in your kitchen. And to use this cream, all you need on the skin is 2 to 3 drops, and you can use it daily. And clean skin, you want to wash your face, put your toner on and serums, and then you just press this on the skin. I press it all over my skin like this, and it just boosts the collagen, give my skin that a plump look. It also give my skin a clear, radiant glow. And guess what, guys? This is also good to take down on your neck and décolleté. A moisturizer that is a must try. So if you're interested to see how I made this, continue watching. I'm going to share the full recipe, and I'm also going to tell you all about the ingredients we're using. Now guys, please watch the video to the end, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also guys, we have our own skincare line. We're going to tag a few of our products along with the ingredients that we're using in this moisturizer. So click right there on the viewfinder and where you see view products, and that will take you to our store. Now let's get in the kitchen, guys, and start whipping this up. So today we're going to be using papaya, and we're using ripe papaya. I'm going to use about an ounce of the papaya, and what we're going to do with the papaya, we are going to chop it, and then we are going to be blending. Now papaya is rich in antioxidant vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. The antioxidant combat free radicals, which are a major cause of premature aging. Papaya help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and also dullness. The natural enzyme papain is a powerful exfoliating enzyme that gently removes dead skin cells. It brightens, it smooths the skin. Papaya contains high amount of water, helping to hydrate the skin, and also boosts collagen production, an amazing ingredient to use on the skin. My next ingredient is going to be orange peel, and this is dried blended orange peel. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the orange peel. It is rich in vitamin C. It helps smooth and boost collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and reduce fine lines. Vitamin C helps to firm the skin, plump the skin, and help your skin to look younger for longer. The natural citrus acid in vitamin C that you find in orange peel help to lighten dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and sun damage. I'm going to reach for some rose water, and I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of the rose water. Help to hydrate the skin and balance the natural pH levels of the skin. And now that this is done, we have papaya, we have orange peel, we have rose water, and what we're going to do, we are going to cover, and we are going to blend, and we are going to blend well. After blending, take a look. This is what it looks like. And now we are going to strain. And all we need from this is the juice of the papaya. The trash, you can choose to add a tablespoon of brown sugar, and you can mix it and use it to exfoliate the skin. I'm using a strainer also. You can also choose to use a cheesecloth to extract the juice. Using papaya on the skin is going to nourish, hydrates, and protect the skin. An amazing ingredient to use in your DIY. So now that I'm done straining, that's the trash right there. And now here we have our papaya juice, and this is about 2 tablespoons of papaya juice. Gonna move on to some more ingredient, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna use some honey in this. And honey is a humectant that lock moisture in the skin. It have antibacterial properties. It's great for all skin type, and it helps to moisturize, hydrates, and even help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the honey. We're adding this and we're pouring it in. My next ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can also choose to use the fresh aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is great for the skin. It is good for most skin type. It helps to nourish and protect the skin. It also helps to hydrate the skin, keep the skin soft and supple. It also is good for sunburn, and it helps to remove hyperpigmentation from the skin. A little goes a long way, and you can use it all over your body. It's also packed with antioxidant, vitamin C, vitamin E, and even beta carotene. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. We're adding this to the bowl with the rest of the ingredient. And now let's move on to my next ingredient, which is going to be an oil, and this is going to be apricot oil. Now, apricot oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C. The antioxidant in apricot oil help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It helps to plump the skin up, and it is good for all skin type. Unlike other thicker oil, this oil is good for even sensitive skin. Now, I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the apricot oil, and we're adding this to the bowl. Next, I'm going to reach for my final oil, and this is going to be some black castor oil. Now, castor oil is a thick, nutrients-rich oil that is derived from the castor bean plant. It is especially for hydrating and anti-aging. It deeply moisturizes the skin. It draws moisture into the skin and seal it in, resulting in long-lasting hydration, making it excellent for mature skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines because it have a high content of rinsolic acid, a fatty acid. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the castor oil. Now you can choose to mix all this together, or you can choose to blend. I'm going to blend mine for a more even, smoother texture. So now let's go ahead and blend. Now, after blending, take a look at this rich, creamy goodness. We're pouring it in a small jar, and this you're going to use just 1 to 2 drops on your skin daily. It is good for both AM and PM. Use it on the face, the neck, and décolleté, and you can store the leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. You can also choose to add some vegetable glycerine or some vitamin E oil to this mixture. An amazing DIY facial moisturizer that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. And this is it, guys, a quick and easy moisturizer made with papaya, aloe vera, castor oil, and apricot oil. A must try, guys. Now, if you do not have papaya and you're looking for a substitute for this recipe, go ahead and use some peach. Yes, I said it, peach. Even though it's totally different from the papaya, you can even try some mangoes. All of these fruits are rich in natural vitamins and minerals that can help to transform the skin.